Today's tutorial will be about making a hand-forged bare copper hook clasp. What you will need is 3 inches of bare copper 16 gauge wire. You can use 14 gauge, 12 gauge as well. Round nose pliers, nylon jaw pliers to straighten your wire, bail making pliers, which are optional, you can use something else round, cutters, a ball peen hammer, I'm using an 8 ounce, a bench block, and a Dremel. Alright, let's get started. We're going to go ahead and take your piece of wire, put it on your bench block and hold it securely and start tapping just the tip. What we're trying to get is a paddle formation here. Alright, it's not perfect, but we're going to take the Dremel and try to even it out. Let's see what we got here. Alright. So you just want to take your Dremel and go around the edges, try to round off the edges so you've got no sharp points and it looks even. Okay, that looks fine. Next, we're going to grab the bail making pliers, or you can use a ring mandrel if you like, something basically round to hold it so you can bend your wire over. This can be a large Crayola marker or a thick pencil, anything round. Okay, now we're going to grab in the bail making pliers and pull the wire around like so. This is what you should have. Now we're going to take and cut off, leaving about half an inch of wire. Okay, we don't need that. You're going to take your Dremel or burr cup and sand down the edges here. Okay, round nose pliers. Going to grab the tip of this, make a loop here. Okay, this is what we have so far. I'm going to put it back on the bench block. Start tapping. You don't want to hit here at the tip, but you're going to hit the round part. You can hold it, just be careful not to hit your finger. Okay. This is going to harden your clasp as well as flattening it quite a bit. Okay. Now we're going to use the flat nose, straighten this out so it's even. So we got something like this. Should be looking like this. Then we're going to take this tip here and just give it a slight turn up. Press it down and you've got your clasp.